Honorable. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Kemang power. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
AUP.
Everywhere.
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 I'm going to use two languages so that we can work labor. I am a bit sweaty, which means when you see an engine is eating, which means there's the water on. I am the engine. This morning we are here.
You are looking right.
Hello, Kele Pacho.
Yes.
My work. Message the better machine. No, you put Joy Pacho. Joy Pacho. Apo you pinuru inama Roman. Apo mututwal. Ya yom ataka tega. Niere ke jani pola fere. Amoduni Omang Emmanuel. One to flag wow pinu le. One paper remere ipinga jo tutor jo kene line do kutuncha. Omio and jo pinu gena kete flag gena within any tiane. National Unity Platform. Gena kete flag gi the company. And they are not flag gi. Make you be a member of parliament. Pikole ituping. Awo macha ajo ajo yeshane. Jonu tabiru penyo. Tijo atika kaina tacho. Chatu electoral commission jo teko bene. Tikwa authority muru electoral nupta malalingaling. Chatu no kocha oba tabiru bewu. Tati you ada meura. Teo jo chawa tudo electoral commission tudo bene. Wano biru wino ngania ni dhana marome nupto. Opo yuru biru. Mr. President, I need to communicate to you this one. There was a rumor when they were nominating members for parliament. Actually, for Kwale South, there was a rumor. Actually, at electoral commission point, and they were saying there is somebody from National Unity Platform, because they were saying the candidate was not qualified. When I did say I do warmly welcome, and I am really appreciating like what they did. It is what has brought me today having this flag. I thank you very much for the trust the Electoral Management Committee for National Unity Platform has done. And today I am standing before my two people, actually acknowledging them. That starting from 10th, scheduled by Electoral Commission, I will be among the 6 people nominated in various political parties moving within to request for votes. I will be among the 6 people representing National Unity Platform. I beg to submit that one to you, Mr. President, sir. John Mepacho and America Chungi, Peati Kena, Atikere, Uwadina, Amolo Hadang, it is straight, Apapad. I make you know it. Tilu Belo, Metuka, you don't be two man, Metuka on your way, Isu Camera. Don't be man, Pirate, me and the John looking. Maybe now, more rule. Maybe I need to about paying it again. Let me start from the side of Oyamu. Oyamu was around. Okay, let me start from Dogolo. Let me welcome my colleague from Dogolo to come and say hello to people of Bala, which is located in Kwale South, Kwale District.
People power. Geoffrey Ebieru, Dogolo North Constituency, Member of Parliament to me. Thank you.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
Our power.
Cha.
Our power.
Ra.
Our power.
This is the time. This is the time. Muslim must go. This is the time. This is the time. Muslim must go. You are saying? Madam the President. Madam President, ring the
Luni Daniel Ongia, Ratchabakui, when you cut it here. The mayor of the city institution. Jeremiah, I'm going to share it with you. Ati, kau nyuaro, jauh tu kiri cakap tu dari kita keken, tu jenis tu kiri taman papen. Ati lo mire memang tu apa yang make, thank you very much, Mr. President.
People power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
How come NUP in Ghana everywhere? No? NUP.
Everywhere.
NUP.
Everywhere.
How come everywhere in Ghana NUP? What money? People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
My name is Honorable Alan Charles Odom. I'm the Honorable Alan Charles Odom. I'm here representing Mekwani and Malo, the year of the Department National Unity Platform. President President People power,
Our power.
our power,
People power.
NUP,
Everywhere.
everywhere.
NUP.
Chop, chop.
NUP.
Okay, my name. Okay. I look at Pachu. Yeah, I don't want to call David Kala. And I mean, we know Yami tomorrow. Achu, we will tell one job more Yami tomorrow. In Parliament, my power. Ocho wario, nabe chiel oto isamiza, remember can. Eto enti ike kaliel, ameti minakuru. Apoy urutwa, ocho huwa, kero ocho huwa tiwa, Robert Sentamo, chekula
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Kunga chakula yikunga.
Kunga.
Kunga chakula yikunga.
Kunga.
Kunga baya kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga baya kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga pash kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga papaya kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga epis kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga rice kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga maya kunga.
Kunga.
Anika tan. Luawuni na mali fahima. Abati uchumi wa beti rawano piru kwero. Lira City West. Blue Ball Award. Ametia kwa pihu. Lima chakao kwa chukui. Nenga kimwi. Ni neno kakeri ya netikenka. Kari ngoi yero pasta yero matikeni ya. Nenga kakeri kara kirunya kirunya. Yero. Atia letu hukundi moja mabaya. Wangu beye uruma. Apaya wimwake tutaya. Kwa umebiru.
People power.
People power.
Our power.
Kwa barabara ni kanu waone kimejazini aje tunimone na bieso. Ikwania district council, local government, apoyo.
People power,
Our power.
our power.
People power.
Kunga Uganda, kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga Goya, kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga Nanga Uganda, kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga Ida Sita, kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga His Excellency Robert Chagulanyi, kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga His Excellency Robert Chagulanyi, kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga Yoweri Kaguta, kunga.
Kunga.
I'm President Mwanje Binad, contesting for area council of Pirowen in Ilira City West. Please, Your Excellency, you are most welcome to the Father side of Northern Uganda. Feel at home. As far as security of food service is concerned, please, we are very capable. Nothing will happen. We are ready to die for our country. People power.
Our power.
My dear brothers and sisters,
Ministers, I'm just requesting you, before you come to me, don't forget His Excellency. Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Please, after you stay there, we are going to the New Uganda. Thanks.
Kunga kore kunga. Kunga bala kunga. Kunga kwani kunga. Niajo lwani team Bob Abel. Everyone that we are carrying in Hanko City Junior Abel. The children ready unity effort. I just give the LC5 Council in Abia Sub-County, Abia District Council Mekwania. Kwa hiyo kabla kunga. 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 Yes, kunga. People power, power. Kunga Uganda, kunga Kyagulanyi, kunga. Ya yom tutwa. Anenu wa mumio. Dunga jodi chedika anu pero puli. 95% ijoikane jusu pero puli. Ako yuka ururi yera. Iye president Ariama Tudu Timako. Peri president Amerika Ariama Tudu. Gete dileteko. Our power. People power. Kunga Uganda kunga. Kunga Kyagulanyi kunga. Kunga Delino kunga. Kunga Uganda kunga.
I don't know if I think I pass you. You don't need a more. I better focus passion. May I left from district. Dango, I better achieve. Maybe the chairman Adi. You come with the good chairman Adi. People power. Our power. People power. Amen.
Everywhere in your way, you and me. In your way. People power. Our power. Our power. People power. People power. People power. We need one know. Do one know about one Melira City. Natacherno Nimu Ichawane Uluni Okwang Patrick Medmo March. Yes, yeah. And Omia no Omagiti Yen Miriam City Jolo Yomekole. Take Jolo District Division now. Do Nuruni Kaitwano Tena Kitty Meyaikan Bala Kole Anaga Mogikwere City Melia Achalo Lord Mayor Achalo Lord Mayor Do Nuruni Med Ikuma Ideme to Mike Ikum President Wa Kumiwai Umena Mike Wene Kai Mena Mike Ikum Kumiwai I met to Mike, you come to Meladushu. Take a look, okay, I'm coming. Okay, I'm different. Umbrella, where's the umbrella? Bring it here. Take him out. I'm not ticket. Kai in the bello. Man, one here. Yeah, FDC work. Kai Mango, Jabajimo. Mango Bello. No, all these parties, even if they do like this, or like this, or like this, you need power. Yes. All of them, you do like this, generate energy. Generate energy. Energy. It becomes to people power. So vote for our president, His Excellency Bobby Wine. Come January 2026. Open your mandate.
Okoya take control. Okoya take control. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Anya Isaac Kujok, Abero Akakawanga Gweng Town Council, the District Council Melira. Anaya Abero, a National Unity Platform, Ilaokan. Then we were doing one change the culture. No one tea kono. Eto me kwa kushawa kwa tigre da kihani ibini mutka uchume kole malo jo atiuma o umbrella mwana ni dong pai baju omwecho ora to bale karoma ulietu yiru yitu bayra karoma yo bi window ayi pore di yedo ye ito ndai bayra do you now and pame to go Apa you to truth me call it. The beginning to you call it and it's happened there and National Unity Platform. Below one you can telling an Honorable Sandra LC5 Councillor here to regular you Mayor me pala that can do to the I'm saying, Kemis, you are not around, Kemis. Okay. Mr. President, before you here, we are more than these numbers. Other people will end up when we're in the process. I need to give them time to introduce themselves and indicate where they belong in the district at their position even to be included. You're welcome, sir.
People power! Our power! People power! Amen. You are Sandra. I tell you, you can see yourself beat a more by yes, of candy, your man, yes, vertical. Yes, of candy, oh yeah!
People power! His Excellency, my name is Dennis Derek Ojok. I'm a bed of a little town council, and they whispered to me that I'm going to be the speaker of the great town council. His Excellency, I thank you for coming.
My president, Bobby, I'm called Bill. This is my area. I'm standing like area councillor. This time what be? I will come in this class. I want to come in this. People power, our power, people power. Alex James Belen, Ajah Pinaki Councillor, the sub-county Nepala, Adonyo Agent Parish. Apa you want to take?
Mr. President, and they're capable. And they're going to help you.
Everywhere!
ni. Ada. Kopa mi ijibo la queen. Eyi na la kopule. Anthony tuki magamo tinga pinga ni. No be era grupo na lo o te no pa. Direct. Kirka tujuka. Igado. Don't worry meeting. Me tuki. Uno edu jamu chento leo. Wetu veme faro ko. Neno tempo. Uno ate yuko agenda deka ken. Mama tembo lego. Mama yo. Kaburu ni kai. Ajo buru mo ajo buru ni lagi. Jodi ngelo ba papo to ba judeshi. Keke doke. Nando beredi biti makiti ai to beru kiloti me karawan putro wa ile. Nani wanyo ba. Go do do ko ko ke. Arumang. Ara to yimu to me ko le so. Yes sir. Manifesto kali ni bero na kama yau tipe ni manifesto pola. Ni dulu ko ni te corruption. Tani. Amera na majeli oberu gobi gomna kuyele. Atano ki president lemu no, me ko tutikande tabani. Ami trapen kitu. Amen. Jodi yango pano. I kole kana me ponyi ondo wosi baile ranyo. Wewe ipengo area mena bepale meni ena mete kom kirena no karo. Ile peneni odino kiyo pantu. Oparo gini, omuru 27, yawo oparo gini, bala 27, yawo oparo gini. Annually measure, annually happy. But actually, the local example are few Kerene. Arapana primary school. As I was one to buy a primary school. La taruh upaya kwa mia tu najenga kero kwa tamuti na rangu poro. Elu mwage kapeni mwage. Amen. Gina no arako bwana. Tiempo kumiyo jidai kwa tranquil. Oberne ni akui. Chukule wa abeti pashoka. Jowa amedo moroko chajando wiki kwa pero jomuko pale kwa skule ni. Ni atindo kaupano P1 P7. Isakene pero kwenye riadero. Ni watu ni msiero tela ni wao kidogo pi. Kama ina kwa basi ndo kisha mjini nini. Pera kokita chon produce you. Etohan kato kumiki kala mentin ko do hora na kumiki ko do ko sa jagan do. Ento enami kujiunga mekano mami.
Ina wiki wili ya.
Nama chele. Anga uligera huru kwa la wiki para mimi Uganda.
Yes.
Dawa sala beti kwa kan.
Exactly.
Kwenye jadi. Na kwa elsa kwa hiyo ibara kan. Kalau ada district tercapai, kami kom elcenta, unguru kono, kau makin manu project itu.
Kanan nama ini wah borre yang kasih. Warayim. Emmanuel Omang, apoio oficial do Chual. Tira morrer! People power! NUP! Everywhere! Major Latino,
Nyao lao. Nyao chopi rebe. Nyao punyere. Robero. Romina. Ena bichole wa. Mata duolo de moka kita wala kuli bila ya uro omi uda te ko to bi uda yel tanne ami ala ko ni wanda ko me ala pini ko wanda ko me to be oyo pelo president president atika kele ko ba yo me kenya me ko you want me now if you win the winner you are clear make how you busy
Drop of the way. Drop of the direct.
Wanda Jarawa busy. We never get a motive for the president and family to go back to the ni ichado pero o we ya que la chu no va a volver a haga chela
One in denial. We box you into hatred. We divided you as north and south. And we put you on. We are saying enough is enough. Our generation does not hold any grudges. Your generation has suffered enough from our wrong. When I invite you, you will be directing that history. You have history and history of unity, of moving together, of erasing those blocks of identity, of breaking down those walls of division, of being mistreated, the preachers are built on humanity. You are because I am. Since you are and since I am, therefore we are
united.
And that is, on that note, I am going to invite the de facto and the jure president, the most beloved, the enigma, the
Are you okay? Rocking. Abanda siku gani nawe? Siku gani nawe? Lakini nakupigania. Abanda sirwana nawe. Nakupigania. Sirwana niwe nakupigania. Abanda sirwana nawe. Nakupigania. Siku gani nawe? Lakini nakupigania. Abanda sirwana nawe. Sirwana niwe mukema. Apande padal wajadi, koya anabeda dui dini. What do you want to keep the people down? Power, power! People power!
NUP!
Everywhere! NUP!
Kunga kole kunga!
Kunga!
Kunga kole kunga!
Kunga!
Myself once again. Sintamu Robert, aka Bobby Wine, aka O'Connor. This president made National Unity Platform. Yeah, man, today I would have spoken anyway, but I don't want to. I am very, very glad to see you, my brother. Today is a special day. I started with that song saying Apande sipigane na wewe na kupigania. To communicate to our brothers and sisters in the police and in the military. Those that are used to suffocate the voices that are fighting for the people of Uganda. And I know that majority of them come from northern Uganda. And they have problems like every other Ugandan. They have children like us. Their children are missing school just like our children. Their wives are suffering with bad health care like our wives. And I know that in a better Uganda we shall all enjoy. For the very honorable introduction. But before I go any further, I want to tell the people of Kole that apart from Bobby Wine and all these other leaders, you have a young man. You have a young leader. That young man called Emmanuel. I don't know what his first name is. But as Christians, we are told that Emmanuel is with us. When I was speaking, I remembered myself in Chadondo 7 or 8 years ago in 2017. In fact, it's 8 years ago. And I saw myself. And I was wondering whether you people know the kind of jewel that you have. Because we live in a country where leadership is only identified or recognized by money. Or by gray hair. Or by how big your stomach is. Or by how old you are. This young man has none of this. But if you could see as I see, and if you could sense as I sense, you would make this man your member of parliament. You would never regret that. This is the representation of the new Uganda. A young Uganda. A young Uganda. A Uganda that is ready to start again. A Uganda that is not affected by the terrible past that we all know. The past that none of us was part of. That none of us even participated in. But the terrible past that was and we were forced to dislike each other. We were forced to inherit the mistakes in the past. I tell you today, my brothers and sisters, that from the east to the west, from the north to the south and to the center, we dare to build a new Uganda. That young Uganda. And this young man, it is in the same breath that I see comrades like Ageno and all the candidates that we have here. For me to take a decision to come into politics, I was not a politician. But I saw that all the great people, all the professionals before us had been destroyed. All the professors, all the engineers, all the intellectuals. And I realized that we are the hope that we've been looking for. Everything that we want God to do for us, God will do through us, using us. My brothers and sisters, it has been 40 years. It has been 40 years. 40 years of pain, 40 years of slavery, 40 years of poverty, 40 years of brainwash, 40 years of destruction. I think now we can all agree that enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough of the pain. Enough of the lies. Enough of the brainwash. Enough of the manufactured hate. Yesterday when I was traveling from Europe, we used the Maseni Port to access Lango. And I had the rare honor of being received by my brother, Honorable Jimmy Akena. To go and salute the resting place of our founding father, Dr. Apollo Military. But as I was driving, going to a patch for the first rally, I was thinking so many things. I wish I knew how to speak very clear Luo. I would speak it today. But this producer of mine done magic. He refused to teach me. This one is
Our power! People power!
You know now. Before you made them move to People power! People power! In 1962, Milton Opore, Opino Coalition, KY. Teki Kadwa Milton Opore, Otimu Komen Note, Rua Bulume now. One Uganda, Okela Wobia Titini, Uganda Baloko, Panyo Kanoda, Keribaro, and
Our power! People power!
Thank you very much, Ben Magic. We have to make it government policy in the new Uganda to teach all languages in schools. Because when we are recording music in studio, I always tell him that Luo sounds like Jamaican language.
And you get the music, you know the music, where they go there. They want to we have Jamaica.
In Uganda, when you're saying Uganda is a good country, you just say Uganda, see no departing. Uganda landlocked country. That way, we will learn to appreciate each other. We, our generation, like you saw producer Dan Magic here, like you see my sister again, and all of us here, the young people from Lango, the young people from Bunyoro, the young people from Busoga, the young people from Uganda, from West Nile, and all of Uganda. We all have dreams. We all see each other through the lenses of brotherhood. But I will tell you that we have been systematically and intentionally divided. It began as soon as Museveni took power. Museveni took over our country in 1986. Many of you were not born. I am older than 90% of you, but I was also only 4 years. But they told us so many lies that were meant to divide us. Yesterday I was talking to the people of Apache. And I told them that because I take time to research, I took time and found out the truth. Ever since Museveni took power, he made it his business to demolish and to destroy the names and the images of the presidents that came before him. We were babies. He told us that Obote was bad. He told us that the people from the north were bad. And I'm sure he was also telling you that the people from Uganda are bad. Now, I can tell you, in December, on the 26th of December 2004, there was an old man from UPC. He was called Adonia Tilerondwa. I'm sure many old UPC members know Adonia Tilerondwa. He was the great UPC man. And he died in 2004. But when they were burying him in Busheni, on the 24th of December 2004, Museveni's General Kainda Otafire, the one who was fighting with Museveni in the war, a spirit came over him and said the truth. I said the spirit came over him and said the truth. Now this is what he said. Because he knew he was in power, he told people the truth. He told them that the real truth is that it is not the UPC people that went to the villages of Uganda and killed the people. He said the NRA rebels would put on UPC t-shirts with the face of President Obote. And they would go to the villages of Luwero and kill people and cut off their necks. They did this in the presence of their children. Now after doing that, they would come back after around 1 hour and they pretend to be rescuing us. And they say, you see those UPC people have killed you. And our parents grew up thinking that it is the UPC people that did it. And we were told to hate. But finally the truth came out. It did not only end there. Even after the war. After Museveni took power in 1986, all of you have heard stories of the NRA soldiers that came to northern Uganda and wreaked havoc and started killing people and raping people, both women and men. And he made sure he uses Baganda soldiers. Now that is the carefully manufactured hate that was intended to divide us. I am very glad that I come to you when the truth has already come out. So much damage have been made in the past, brothers and sisters. So much damage that we were forced to inherit. And we were taught to ignore the beauty that keeps us together. For us in Uganda, we were even taught by the Museveni regime to forget that Dr. Okote married a Uganda woman. But I'm glad to tell you young people that we have a chance to build a new Uganda. We have a chance to start again. Because the same person that wreaked havoc where I come from is the same person that destroyed here. When you look carefully, especially here in Lango, the most educated people are the old people. You will notice that most professors are the old people. The education system has been destroyed. The healthcare system has been destroyed. The road network system has been destroyed. Even agriculture and your cash crops have been destroyed. This has not only happened here, this has happened in Busoga, it has happened in Karamoja, it has happened everywhere. But the good thing is that we have an opportunity now. While we unite, we as the leaders, it is important to unite as the people. And this is the message that I go preaching all over the country. This is our 1962. This is the time for us to get real independence. It has been 63 years since independence. And out of those 63 years, Museveni has covered 40 years. 40 years of gun rule. He came to power claiming an election in 1980 was rigged. But he has been rigging elections systems up to now. He came claiming he's going to fight against the abuse of human rights. But up to now, many people are picked and they go missing forever. So it is time for us to go back and retrace our effort of fighting disease, poverty, and ignorance. So it's for that reason that I present myself here, ladies and gentlemen. Not only me, but all my brothers and sisters here. To seek your mandate, to seek the opportunity and permission from you so that we can build again. So we can build again. So we can start again. Development stopped when Museveni took over. He criticizes the former president, but even the hospitals that we have today were built by Obote. Many of the roads that we use today were built by either Obote or Amin. It has only been corruption for the last 40 years. It is not a mistake that we have bad roads here. Not that we don't have money. Uganda is rich, but the Ugandans are poor. Lao is rich, but the Langi are poor. And that is the same thing all over. Every year, we lose 10 trillion shillings to corruption. I did not say million, and I did not say billion. I said trillion. Listen to me carefully. There is 1 million in 1 billion. And there is 1,000 billion in 1 trillion. Family steals 10 trillion from you. That means they steal 10,000 billion. We lose 50 billion. 50 trillion. It's even uncountable money. As we speak now, our children are not in school. The primary children are not studying. Right now, even as the campaigns are going on. Why? Because the teachers are not being paid. The money that is supposed to pay teachers, Museveni is paying musicians to sing praises for him. The money that is supposed to pay health workers, look how many police officers and military are following this small man called Bobby Wine. They are also not well paid. Just like the teachers and medical workers. I have something I want to tell you today. In New Uganda, all this is going to change. I could go on and on about our problems, but I will use the next 2 or 3 minutes to shine a light to show you what is going to happen in the new Uganda. First of all, after removing Museveni, we are going to get outright freedom for every Ugandan. Museveni is going to be the last Never again will a president be in power for 40 years. He came demonizing a person that was in power for only 2 terms. Now Museveni has been in power for 8 terms. Almost 8 terms. And he wants another. We can stop that, brothers and sisters. In that new Uganda, we shall be led by the law, all of us. all of us will be equal before and under the law. You will never find one tribe claiming they are better than another tribe. You will never find any discrimination in promotion in the military. You will not find all ministers coming from the same region. To get a government job, it will not depend on the size of your nose. It will depend on the size of your brain and your willingness to work. No Ugandan who is not a soldier will be taken to the court martial. And among the first things to do will be to release all political prisoners. To release Eddie Mutwe because he's innocent. To release Alex Waishamufumero because he's innocent. And to release the innocent people of Karamoja that have been put on court martial for 7 years. My brothers and sisters, you are not going to find a president behaving like a god. Uganda is not a kingdom and it will never be a kingdom. Uganda is a republic. Museveni is trying to turn our country into a kingdom of Rachitula. He has reduced our country to family rule. Where you find he is the president, his son is the head of the military, his wife is a minister for education, his brother is controlling the biggest budget in the country, and so on and so forth. That is not going to happen again. You will not be ruled by people you have not voted for. We are going to abolish the RCCs and the RCCs because you never elected them. Yes. All the leaders that rule over you will have to be by your mandate. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Nothing is going to happen to you. You are with the president of the country, the incoming president of the country right now. So nothing should scare you. I have been told that so many people have been chased off their land. Many people have been displaced. That is going to change in the new Uganda. People power. Our power. People power. Everywhere. Everywhere. I want you to know those police officers also. That their life is going to change in the new Uganda. The lowest salary of a police officer is going to be 1 million. Your wife is going to have medical insurance. Your children will go to the same schools like the minister's children. There will be medicine in our hospitals. We are going to get the military off the lakes and all water bodies. The Ugandans will have the same right. Make sure the lakes are yours once and for all. That is your natural resource. So brothers and sisters, as I conclude, I'm requesting you to come out and vote. Tell everyone to come out and vote. We have been effort to stop us from voting. Because majority of the voters are young people. Therefore, they tell you that your vote does not matter. Oh yes, your vote matters. We are many. We are young. We are intelligent. And we can change our country. So when you go to vote, you're going to see a symbol. That symbol is going to be the umbrella. When you see the umbrella, just put a tick. Right from president all the way to everyone. When you got the umbrella, you are signing your appointment letter to get a job. When you vote for Chagulani, you're signing the letter that is chasing the army away from the lake. When you vote for Chagulani, you're signing a release letter for Dr. Besigye and all political prisoners. When you vote for the umbrella, you're putting an end to tribalism. When you vote for this umbrella, you're voting for national unity. You're voting for a new beginning. You're voting for reconciliation. You're voting for love. You're voting for a new Uganda. God, not be intimidated. I ask you to send this message to everybody now. Start with your parents. Talk to your mother and your father. Talk to your brother. Because for this work, we have to do it together. I can only speak to you, but I'm requesting you to change this message into your language. Tell everybody you meet that this is not about Bobby Wine, this is about all of us. Let us do it for our children and our grandchildren. Our fathers and our mothers' future was stolen.